Fatty liver symptoms in females, causes, diagnosis or treatment explained. Welcome to Medicor IQ, your trusted space for health tips, medical facts, and wellness insights. Subscribe and stay informed to live healthier every day. What is fatty liver disease? Fatty liver disease is a condition where excess fat builds up in the liver. When this buildup exceeds 5 to 10% of the liver's weight, it starts interfering with its function. There are two types: non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD) and alcoholic fatty liver disease. Causes of fatty liver in females. Fatty liver symptoms in females may develop due to several reasons: obesity and poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS), menopause-related hormonal changes, excessive alcohol consumption, high cholesterol or triglyceride levels. Fatty liver symptoms in females. On screen, fatty liver is often silent, but some females may experience symptoms like persistent fatigue, mild to moderate abdominal discomfort, especially upper right side, unexplained weight gain or bloating, yellowing of the skin or eyes, in advanced stages, dark-colored patches on the neck or armpits, sign of insulin resistance, brain fog or trouble concentrating, irregular menstrual cycles, in some PCOS cases. Diagnosis of fatty liver disease. If you are noticing any of these fatty liver symptoms in females, consult a doctor. Common diagnostic tools include blood tests, liver function tests, ALT/AST, ultrasound of the abdomen, fibroscan or liver elastography, MRI or CT scan in more serious cases, liver biopsy, rare but definitive, treatment or lifestyle changes. There is no one pill cure, but fatty liver symptoms in females can be reversed through lifestyle and diet changes. Here's what to do. Adopt a healthy, balanced diet low in sugar and refined carbs. Exercise regularly. Avoid alcohol and processed foods. Medications like vitamin E or insulin sensitizers, only under doctor guidance. Lose 5 to 10% of body weight if overweight. Control blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Fatty liver doesn't always show symptoms early, but now you know how to spot fatty liver symptoms in females, what causes it, and how to manage it. Prevention starts with awareness. Thanks for watching Medico IQ. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trusted health content. Stay healthy and stay informed.